A thick squirt of dish soap and a jug of hot water can often clear a toilet clog when you have no plumbing tools. Start by adding a generous amount of liquid dish soap down the bowl around the clog to lubricate the trap and any obstructing material. Next, heat about a gallon of water until it is very hot but not boiling, and carefully pour it from waist height into the bowl to add force and help break down the blockage. If the water level is high, bail out some into a bucket first so you do not cause an overflow when you add the heated water. Let the soap and hot water sit for at least 10 to 15 minutes to soften fats and paper fibers. During this time, avoid flushing repeatedly because that can make the problem worse. If the clog is still firm after waiting, create a baking soda and vinegar reaction by pouring 1 cup of baking soda followed by 1 cup of white vinegar into the bowl. Then cover the vent with a rag and let fizz for 20 to 30 minutes before adding hot water. For a more direct mechanical option, untwist a metal wire coat hanger into a straight rod, bend a small hook at the end, and gently probe the trap to dislodge or fish out solid items, using slow, careful motions to avoid scratching porcelain. People often make the mistake of pouring boiling water directly into the bowl, which can crack ceramic. Always use very hot but not boiling water. Another common issue is overflushing when the toilet is partially blocked, which can lead to an overflow. If water is rising, stop flushing and remove excess water first. Some try aggressive metal probing and end up scratching or breaking the porcelain or pushing the obstruction deeper. Use a coated or blunt-ended tool and gentle movements or stop, and rely on the soap and hot water approach. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners connect with local contractors and find advice for small repairs and larger renovations that relate to plumbing, emergencies, and prevention. We also provide a discussion community where we and other members share practical tips, trade experience, and contractor recommendations.